So how about this? Take the UDR radiator and drop the speakers inside. Will it work? I'm just powering everything from there to there, there to there. And I made, courtesy of a buddy of mine, his name is Jules from RC Groups. He's brilliant. Here we go. So it works. Now I'm going to take this part off. But this is my first prototype and it worked. And here's how I squeezed everything in. See, I put that there. And I only need two. That sits flush. There's enough room there for the back piece to fit on. I'm going to get longer screws. These are 2.5 by 6. Traxxas makes these same button screws 2.5 by 8, 10, and 12. So I'll get longer screws, that way that isn't bowed. Right, so I've got my UDR hooked up with onboard audio, and I've been working on this project and I came up with a couple of different things, but the first one I did was I modified the radiator fan to house the two speakers. So there's two speakers in the back there. The receiver is stock. I just bought the Traxxas TQI onboard audio radio, which has the switch. So this is in neutral. You'll hear the speakers. So let's see here. Oh, you know what? Do I have it? I don't know if I got that. I'll turn up the volume. So you got, let me turn that up. So those are two speakers. And the way I did that was a brilliant design. I had help from a RC buddy. His name is Jules, and he's a wizard. I've said that in all my videos, and I want to keep giving him a shout out because he's awesome. But this receiver has two channels or two ports for channel 1. Of course, that's the steering servo in channel 1. This is also channel 1, and this is what the onboard audio is plugged into. That's the JST coming from the onboard audio sound control module. So all I did is I ended up making one, which is this kind of hokey one, but then I found one online. I bought a pack of them, and now you're able to bypass having to plug this into the ESC or modifying it or using an external battery. So now the ESC simply plugs into the onboard audio, which I've got wired in here, and then you take the gray and green plugs, and that gray is plugged into channel 2. Wonder if I could focus, if I get close enough. Maybe not. A little bit. And then the green is channel 3. And then the rest of the ports are open. So it works. And that's not all. So those are two speakers, right? Then you can see where I've got the speakers plugged in. I've got a Y. The thing's not focusing. A Y harness there. So then I've got one more addition. the internal panel thing here, this now has 2 more speakers, and I've got another video kind of explaining why I put them where I did. There is clearance if I were to put a speaker here and here, but barely. It would make it difficult to get in there and adjust the volume or even turn it off. So this plugs in. In fact, I'll demonstrate that right now since I've got this out. I'll try to do this holding my phone. Here we go. So that is plenty loud. And then if I hit the switch, so it works. Didn't have to splice into the ESC, and what this does is that simple wire, even for a Traxxas Slash, which is what the onboard audio is designed for, and they discontinued it, but I've got a few brand new ones. It's designed to be plugged into their special wire that comes out of the ESC that they tap for power. That wire eliminates all of that. That means that this little wire, you can use whatever. You don't need Traxxas ESC or nothing. You need this sound control module, and that's it. You're off to the races with just this thing. You plug it into any receiver, and you've got onboard audio plugging into their speakers. So that's my update so far. I'll take it out for a run, see how it sounds outside. And it's coming along. Looks good. Star wide shot, and we are out. So I've got 2 speakers there. I've got 2 speakers under the interior panel. I can hear it right there, the OBA, but I can hear the punch. Man.